Many people these days are experiencing an imposter syndrome. बहुत लोगों को अपने अंदर एक अजनबी इंसान फील होता है. वो खुद से रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो खुद को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, वो खुद के साथ ही इतना इनऑथेंटिक, डिस्टेबलाइज्ड फील करते हैं जिसकी कोई हद नहीं. और उसकी वजह से वो अजीब और बहुत ही वियर्ड चीज़ें करते हैं. दे हैव ब्रेक डाउन्स, दे हैव इंट्रूसिव थॉट्स. वो गलत बातें बोलते हैं, गलत बातें सुनते हैं. एग्जिस्टेंशली उनकी लाइफ उस चीज़ में टोटली कंज्यूम्ड हो गई है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू रिलेट टू देयर ओन सेल्व्स. अब समझिए दरअसल होता क्या है. Basically from the beginning of your conditioning, you are trained with a personality, like an accustomed personality. That personality is given by your ecosystem, your parents, your conditioning, your studying. That personality which is operating from inside is something you're not able to relate to. Why? Is because whatever that personality is doing, you don't feel truly authentic in it. You don't feel truly settled in it. And you feel it's just like a stranger role you're going to act or perform, but nothing else. And here's the thing. The whole part of your self-discovery is how to disintegrate everything inauthentic about that personality, align it with your most authentic core self. But the biggest aspect comes here is how to discover that authentic core process. Because उस चीज़ को लेके बहुत confusion है, बहुत ज़्यादा enigma है, बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किलें हैं. किसी को एक पेपर पे प्रिंट होके लिखा तो आएगा नहीं कि दिस इज़ हु यू आर ऑथेंटिकली, जो आपको आपके गॉड ने ओरिजिनली ऐसा बनाया, ऐसा लिखा, ऐसा किया, वैसा किया, तो आप ये हैं. Now this is this. It is always in the moments of vulnerabilities, extreme choices, that you discover who you really are. It is a process of self-discovery, and once you discover those attributes, you realize who you are authentically, and then you try to integrate. But even integrating is not a very easy process. You have to be brave. You have to accept you were wrong. You have to integrate and dissolve what is inauthentic. In that, so many consequences and aftermath can happen. But it's just part of very much of living with yourself in peace, that you have to discover who you are. हो सकता है आपने अपनी उस पर्सनालिटी से जो फॉर्म्ड है, जो कि वो उस वक्त उस सिचुएशन में बन गई बिकॉज you didn't have the right authentic guidance from the beginning, or your family or your ecosystem. So whatever happened is just a aftermath consequence of it. Not every set of parent or situation is fully the most spiritually active, conscious, self-aware, intelligent, cognizable, emotionally intelligent situation. Everybody is just a very vulnerable and weak individual at the end of the day. Most of them, at least. So you have to discover that process, and in that process sometimes we are at such a age that we have already made major life decisions. We have a family, we have this and that, and at that time we are at crossroads, and at that time it is difficult to make authentic choices because it may hurt the entire systematic process. This is testing that what is the extent you will go for authentic truth. You're individual, universal, because all truths are ultimately connected and one and lead you to the same place, and that is God. This is the only proper and total solution of everything intrusive, unsettling, and chaotic, internally at least. Externally, if things happen, you can at least handle it once you're internally in one place integrated, right? And But this process requires a lot of courage. It also requires expert guidance if you're lucky enough. It requires surrenderness. It requires humility. It requires sacrifice. It requires restraint. And it requires a lot of connection with God. So may I wish for every person who is into an internal war that the best may come in their journey and ease chooses them. Okay.